Hello, art lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of wooden nature-inspired art. If you're looking to bring a touch of the outdoors into your home or simply want to explore your creativity, you're in the right place. We'll share a variety of unique projects that celebrate the beauty of wood and nature. So grab your tools and let's get inspired. Wooden nature-inspired art ideas for art lovers. Tree slice wall art. Use cross-sections of tree trunks as canvases. Paint or engrave nature scenes, quotes, or abstract designs that celebrate the beauty of wood. Carved animal figures. Create lifelike or stylized wooden sculptures of animals. Focus on details that capture their essence. Using natural finishes to enhance the wood's character. Leaf impressions. Press leaves into clay or soft wood to create unique textures. Paint over the impressions for a stunning visual effect that highlights the beauty of nature. Wooden flower bouquets. Craft flowers from wood pieces, using different techniques like carving or layering. These everlasting blooms can be painted in vibrant colors or left natural. Nature-inspired wall hangings. Design wall art featuring wooden elements like branches, twigs, and leaves. Combine them with woven materials for a mixed media effect. Birdhouses with nature motifs. Create decorative birdhouses carved with floral or animal designs. Use them as functional art pieces in your garden or home. Wooden terrariums. Construct terrariums using wood as the base and frame. Fill them with succulents or moss to create a miniature ecosystem that reflects nature. Nature mobile. Assemble a mobile using wooden shapes of birds, leaves, and butterflies. Hang it in a window to catch the light and create a dynamic display. Wooden coasters with nature scenes. Carve or burn intricate nature designs into wooden coasters. These functional pieces can add a touch of artistry to your home. Seasonal nature panels. More wooden nature-inspired art ideas for art lovers. Wooden animal masks. Carve masks of various animals, incorporating intricate patterns and textures. These can serve as wall decor or functional art pieces for events. Mosaic wood art. Use small wooden pieces to create mosaic designs inspired by nature. Arrange them to form landscapes, animals, or abstract patterns. Natural wood frames. Craft unique picture frames from reclaimed wood, adding decorative elements like leaves or small branches for a rustic touch. Wooden garden signs. Create personalized signs for your garden using carved or painted wood. Incorporate nature-themed designs or inspirational quotes. Wooden driftwood sculptures. Use driftwood pieces to create abstract sculptures. Arrange them in dynamic ways to showcase their natural beauty and unique shapes. Nature-inspired jewelry. Craft wooden jewelry pieces, such as pendants or earrings, shaped like leaves or flowers. These can be painted or left with a natural finish. Wooden animal silhouettes. Cut out silhouettes of wildlife from wood and paint them in vibrant colors. These can be used as wall decor or standalone art pieces. Wooden planters. Design decorative wooden planters shaped like natural elements, such as logs or stones, to enhance your indoor or outdoor space. Tree branch wall art. Use branches to create three-dimensional wall art. Arrange them in patterns or shapes that evoke natural scenes, such as trees or animals. Seasonal wood blocks. Create a set of wooden blocks, each painted or carved to represent different seasons or nature themes. Display them as seasonal decor. These additional ideas offer even more ways to celebrate nature through wooden art, allowing you to explore your creativity and connect with the natural world. Happy creating!